Yeah, what up? Let me introduce you to a product that I use on the GDI engine. It's a Redline 2-step fuel service kit. So what it does, it helps reduce the amount of carbon buildup within the engine. So what you gotta do is get the engine to operation temperature. See if you can get someone to sit behind the wheel. Alright, let them keep the RPM around 1500, or you just spray the chemical into the breather box. Alright, so ensure that it go past the mass airflow. Don't spray too much because it's gonna cause the engine to stall out. And also make sure that the area is well ventilated. Alright, then you take the second part of it, which is a gas treatment, and you throw it in the gas tank. You can do it before or after, it doesn't matter. So pouring this in the gas tank, you ensure that it's gonna definitely go through the injectors. So once that's complete, right, you're just gonna let the vehicle sit for a little bit. You know, you're just gonna step on X a few times, and there you have it. Everything is solved. Alright, so if you like this video and this quick tip, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit bell notification. Till next time.